Hey guys, what's up? Prometheus here, and today we'll be showing you how to use a tablet or a phone with a second monitor. Get right into it. We'll open up Firefox here. We're gonna Google what's called desktop space. Desk space. I think it's desk space. Space deck. That's it. There we go. All right, now you're gonna open up this first website right here. The links will be in the description down below. I've already installed it on my computer, and you also got two things. You got to make sure you're on the same network. Your computer or laptop, any device that you wish to have used as a second monitor needs to be on that same device. You don't need to plug it in with the desktop or anything like that. They don't have to be connected. It connects wirelessly, although you will have to make sure that it's charged, your device is charged. It can be used for a phone, but the screen is really small, so that's another case there. So how would you want to use it? Well, OBS, you can use it with OBS. Have your tablet on the monitor or your second monitor, and if it's touchscreen, which a tablet's touchscreen, you can use it to switch between scenes, or you can take, instead of opening a website or splitting your screen on your main monitor, you can have your chat onto the second monitor. That will alleviate having to use any other apps like Deckboard or something. Like, you can switch between scenes, but that's good. It's a good app, don't get me wrong, but with that, you can't like look over and see if your stuff's lining up or your alerts are working correctly. So I think that might be a better choice, to have an OBS on a second monitor. It's just easier to manage, to see if you can. Now, I have an old Fire HD, which you will see that up in the screen, and it is a little older, and sometimes you just got to play with it to make it fit the full screen, but it does work, and it's free. So yep, guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button for me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy gaming.